We have discussion on asteroids today, which are also described as planetoids. And these are rocky structures of asteroid belt. Asteroid belt is located between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Mars is an inner planet, terrestrial planet, whereas Jupiter is an outer planet. Thus, asteroid belt is a transitional zone between inner planets and outer planets, though being rocky in their structure, they are close and similar to terrestrial inner planets. On the basis of dominance of minerals, asteroids are classified as C-type if these are dominated by carbon, S-type if these are dominated by silicon, and M-type, metallic type if these are dominated by iron and nickel. So remember that metallic type asteroids could be used for mining of high value minerals in the future with rising technological feasibilities and increased economic viabilities, and that process has been termed as asteroid mining. Now I'm coming to how asteroids differ from planets. So planets are, first I'm discussing planets, 18 numbers. Second, elliptical path following laws of planetary motion. Third, massive enough mass and gravity to maintain their spherical shape and cleared neighborhood. Cleared neighborhood means with massive enough mass and gravity, they are able to consume space debris from their neighborhood. They are able to consume space debris from their neighborhood. Means with massive enough mass and gravity, they are able to gravitationally capture and consume space debris from their neighborhood. In respect of planets, asteroids are numerous in numbers, largely concentrated in asteroid belt. Third, irregular shape. Most of them have irregular shape. And fourth, varying size ranging from few meter to few thousand kilometers. Remember that their mass and gravity are ineffective in maintaining gravitational equilibrium and orbital stability. Means they are gravitationally imbalanced with orbital instability and unpredictability. That is why they have tendency to collide with planets and their satellites. Remember that there was such a collision of an asteroid with Earth that occurred 66 million years before present. This collision of an asteroid with Earth was source of climate change and fifth mass extinction. Remember that now we are in the age of sixth mass extinction, which started 10,000 years before present. Geologically, this period is known as Holocene, and historically, this period is known as Neolithic. It was largely anthropogenic, as man started large-scale domestication of plants and animals by clearing forest and grasslands. That period is still continuing, and we are facing this sixth mass extinction even in the present scenario. Remember that collision of an asteroid with Earth and related hazardous and catastrophic consequences are classified as low probability, high risk scenario. Let us understand scenarios related with collision of an asteroid with Earth. An asteroid with perihelion distance from Sun. At less than 1.3 astronomical unit is described as near Earth object. I have already taught you 1 astronomical unit is equal to 150 million kilometer. Near objects tend to collide with Earth with this scenario. First, their orbit intersect with Earth, and second, they share a spot at a given point. So near Earth objects, if their orbit intersect with Earth and near Earth objects share a spot with Earth at a given point, there are collisions of Earth and near Earth object with hazardous and catastrophic consequences. So remember that worldwide nation states and related space agencies Their observatories are involved in programs and policies related with defending Earth, which is also described as planetary defense. And these plans and policies and experiments are largely related with first, exploration of near Earth objects using various space missions, space based telescopes, high altitude telescopes, satellites, long range radars. Second, monitoring of their orbits, tracking of their orbits, and alerts related with their potential collision with Earth. In respect of alerts, these two are most important and world recognized. First is Atlas, asteroid terrestrial impact last alert system, and second is IAWN. India is also a member of IAWN, International Asteroid Warning Network. Third, if there are alerts and possibilities of collisions, then worldwide scientists, astrophysicists are experimenting with methods to redirect near Earth objects from Earth and its orbit. Redirecting is dependent on use of launch vehicle with payloads. Remember that these launch vehicles are going to be massive lift launch vehicles with heavy payloads. How these are going to be redirected? Using kinetic energy and momentum. Such a successful experiment is known as DART. Double asteroid redirect test. Second, positioning of massive spacecrafts using its gravity to pull away a near Earth object from Earth and its orbit. This is also described as tractor method. Third is launch vehicles with a massive explosive, which could be nuclear weapon also as a payload. This massive explosive capable to generate high heat and pressure could be used for vaporizing near Earth object so that its territories, its orbits are redirected. Yeah, fragmenting into harmless parts. Thank you.